Daniela, and I am the SolidWorks and SolidWorks PDM SME for SPK and Associates. Today I wanted to go over a simple but great way to customize your vault for you and your users. As you can see here, I'm inside the vault. I have opened up Complete Search, and now I have searched for a file. What comes up is a list of files as well as columns that are pre-populated with information. Today we're going to go over how to specify what columns appear once you do a search. This is very helpful because if you are missing a variable here that you really need, that you really search for, you would have to click on each file individually and allow the data card to load and then browse to that variable, whatever that variable may be. So in order to customize these columns, I'm going to go ahead and open up the administration tool. Here I have already logged in as administrator, and I'm going to go ahead and click on columns and then click on search. Now your PDM installation will come with a search column set pre-configured out of the box. You can use search right away. But let's say you're comfortable in your vault and you're now looking to make a few tweaks, edits, make things a bit more customized to you and your user group. Here you can go ahead and do that. You have some default columns, but I have customized this already. And you can add new columns. You can customize the alignment as well as the width. For example, description may be pretty long, but the checked out by column, you probably do not need that to be as wide as description. And you can go ahead and edit at any time. What I also find very helpful in this tool here is that you can specify a variable, for example, number. And if users don't recognize number, you can have it labeled with something different. I have agile number here instead of number. So if we go back to our search, you'll see that the variable is labeled agile number. Again, this is very helpful for users, especially if you have variables that don't necessarily align with their name in the data card. That's a great way to match things up, make it very clear and easy for users. So let's say you've made your changes here, you're ready to apply this column set. We can click OK, and we can click on cards, specifically search cards here. And I'm going to go ahead and double click on Complete Search. This will go ahead and open up the card editor. And with the card editor, you can confirm which column set is being used for the results. So here it's the search column set that I was just in. However, you can create as many search column sets as you would like. If you have different search cards, you can absolutely get very creative here. Here I'm just confirming it's using the one I just edited. And here I can also specify permissions. I like to do that at the group level. And once that is all saved, all configured to your liking, you can go ahead and click this Save button icon here. And once that is saved, you are ready to go. Your users will have a much more customized search and really be able to see any pertinent variables that may not be captured with the out-of-the-box configuration. For further tricks and tips, please stick around.